Good evening and namaste to everyone. This is Shruti Srivastava from IHM Jaipur is here to tell you guys about the fundamental duties of an Indian citizen on the occasion of Constitution Day. Constitution Day, which is also known as Samvidhan Divas, is being celebrated on 26 November every year to commemorate the adoption of Constitution of India. Every right has its correlative duty. In 1975, government realized that Indians have no responsibility towards their duty. So, in 1976, while emergency, government formed a committee to make realization of the duties to Indian citizens, which is known as Sardar Saran Singh Committee. So, this committee recommended that there should be a separate dedicated chapters for the fundamental duties. This was accepted by the government and the government came up with the 42nd Amendment Act. After 42nd Amendment Act, a new chapter was added in the Constitution, that is Chapter 4A, which is all about the fundamental duties, which is made up of only one article, Article 51A, in which 10 fundamental duties are given. After the introduction of 86th Amendment Act, one more fundamental duty was added. So currently, Indian citizens have 11 fundamental duties. Before moving on to these duties, let us know what are the main objectives of these duties. Firstly, when there is any antisocial activity like burning flags, disrespect of constitution, etc., these fundamental duties acts as a warning. Secondly, it reminds you that you have all the rights to enjoy your fundamental rights, but along with this, you have to be responsible towards your duties. Along with this, to achieve the national goals, fundamental duties promotes discipline and commitment also. So let us know what these 11 fundamental duties are. First, abide by the Constitution and respect national flag and national anthem. Second, cherish and follow the noble ideals which inspired our national struggle for freedom. Third, uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. Fourth, defend the country and serve the nation when needed. Fifth, promote harmony and spirit of common brotherhood. Sixth, value and preserve rich heritage of a composite culture. Seventh, protect and improve the natural environment. Eighth, develop scientific temper, humanism and spirit of inquiry. Safeguard public property and abjure the violence. 10th, strive towards excellence in all the spheres. Lastly, provide opportunities for education to his child or ward between the age of 6 to 14 years. As a responsible citizen, we should abide by these 11 fundamental duties. These fundamental duties are the moral obligations of all citizens to help promote a spirit of patriotism and to uphold the unity of India. Thank you.